girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer of Custom Chic, and if you're new here, welcome. It's midsummer. Where have you been? If you are interested in fashion, travel, or just lifestyle related content, then this is the place for you. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, and definitely make sure you hit the bell notification so that you know each time I drop a video. I have videos twice a week, or I upload videos twice a week, which is Wednesday and Friday. Today I am doing a mini haul. Some of the stuff that I picked up from H&M summer favorites, and then I have a surprise unboxing from this new black designer brand that I just tried called the House of Belle. If you know me, you know that I love and live for a good summer maxi dress. Actually, I live in Florida, so that is typically all year round. What I'm gonna do, show you guys my outfit. I know this is all about maxi dresses. I'm wearing a mini. Let me show you what I got going on, and then we can get right into the video.
Coming into the shot is the back view of my Cecile puff sleeve mini dress. I got this from the brand Love Shack Fancy. I purchased it in a size 10. Price point is $45 from Target. I paired it with my faux croc T-strap sandals from Public Desire. Also threw on my Louis earrings from Louis Vuitton. This dress originally came with a floral belt, but I changed it out for something in my closet.
Okay. First item up on our H&M maxi dress haul is this pink puff sleeve cotton dress. This dress was only $19.90. It is the first thing that attracted me to it was the price point. Yes, I will be honest about that. I saw this in the window display as I was walking into the store, and they told me that they did not have it in stock and I'd have to wait the next day. I was not going to risk that for anything because I really wanted this dress. Now, it does not look like much on the hanger, yes, I will admit. I will pop up the video of me either this way or that way, but somewhere within this square of me trying this dress on. And it is, I love this dress. This dress is so me. If you know me, this is the kind of dress that I will just throw on to meet you for, you know, coffee. You're drinking the coffee, I'm drinking something else because I don't drink coffee. But just something that you can throw on and just leave the house in a super quick amount of time without wasting too much time or putting too much thought into your outfit, and still look put together and still look chic. Now, it has some gathering here in the front, and it also has some gathering here in the back. I would say this is sort of like a mid open back. It's not all the way, but you know, there's enough there that you feel comfortable. It's not a heavy material, it's breathable. It is 100% cotton, but not like linen. So keep that in mind if you are interested. It looks like it kind of flows or sits asymmetrical. You can't see that on the hanger, but hopefully as I'm kind of modeling this dress, you can tell. It is very comfortable. Two drawbacks that I don't like about this: it doesn't have pockets. If it had pockets, it would probably be my 2020 summer dress of the year. And then also, I don't love that if you do not iron this, or if you do not press this or steam this, you're not going to get that super puff sleeve experience that you really want, or how this dress is advertised. So I did have to spend a lot of time kind of ironing this dress, and even after I tried it on, it was wrinkled all over again. But que sera, sera. So I give this a, what, 9 on, no, I give it a 10. For $19.99, it's a whole 10. Item number 2 on our H&M maxi dress haul is this floral caftan. I purchased this in a size small. The price point was $49.99. I know it's a little bit on the pricier side, but this is part of the H&M Conscious collection, and I think they attend, or they try to be a little bit more environmentally friendly, and it's like 100% organic cotton. And if you want more information, it's definitely on the H&M website. Now, I love this dress. I picked it because of the colors. The colors and the pattern. I really love bold colors, and I love products or items that mix bold colors well. And here, I mean, you have the lilac, you have the fuchsia, you have the sort of regular green, you have the lime green, the black, the blush, the pink, the cream. Like, come on. Like, who would not like this dress? Now, a couple of drawbacks. Now, actually, let me describe the item first, and then I'll talk about the drawbacks. So there is some gathering here on the sleeve, so that is true on both sides. And then they have that same gathering detailing like towards the bottom of the dress, just to give it a little bit more shape. And they have these two like strings here. I don't love this part of the dress because, while I understand, I think the idea was to create an illusion of more skin, right? You're already in a maxi dress, you're completely covered up because it is the long sleeve, and it hits like right at the tip of my toes. It doesn't trail, but it is very long, so I'm super covered in this dress. I tried to wear it with a belt and it just didn't really pan out. So I think what happened is the designers or maybe the brand thought that if we gave you these 2 strings, you can tie it up here and create kind of like a keyhole effect. I don't love that, but it still wasn't enough to dissuade me from the dress. Also, it doesn't have pockets. I love a good maxi dress, but I love a maxi dress with pockets. So those are the only 2 negatives. So I'd give it an 8 on 10, but it wasn't enough to dissuade me from buying the dress. Item number 3 on our H&M maxi dress haul is this beautiful red and cream floral print maxi dress. This is a polyester material. It's different from the other 2 in material because those 2 are fabric. This is polyester. I purchased this in a size small as well. There's a running theme. I typically go down in size for maxi dresses, especially those that are billowy, because there's already a lot of room in there, so I don't have to worry about anything being too form-fitting or constricted. This was a H&M Conscious collection. I think I said that. And it was $59.99. It looks like this was a designer collaboration. The tag says Joanna Ortiz / H&M. It was a designer collaboration, right? What else do you need? Size small. Original price retail for $59.99. I caught this on the sale, which is always a win. $25.99. I purchased this on sale. No pockets, but that's okay. This dress has amazing movement. I took this dress, I did part of the photo shoot for the Instagram photos that I shoot. So if you don't follow me, make sure you do, customs_chic. You will see all of the fashions, all of the looks that I try to give you guys throughout the week. But back to this dress, it has amazing movement. It was about 99 degrees to like 3 o'clock in the afternoon when I shot these looks. Don't ask me why. Scheduling, listen, you got to get in where you fit in, right? You just do. That's just the way things work these days. But even though it was excruciatingly hot, this dress was still comfortable. There was like no sticking to my body. It fit really well and it sat really well on the body. It had great movement. The only downside, which is the same apparently with these new dresses that H&M are coming out with, are these strings. And this one is like a double offender. Like this one has 2 sets and I'm not exactly sure why. Again, my hypothesis or my theory is that because they want you to create these keyhole looks because the dress is so full and it's just so, it just envelops the body. I don't love it. I will probably cut or get my tailor to cut these 2. The top 2 and then keep the bottom 2 because this is a deeper v-neck than the other. So yeah, but otherwise I love it. Sits well on the body. I try to dress it up and I try to belt it. I didn't love how that came about, so I'm probably just gonna wear this as is, very billowy. And yeah, good job, Joanna Ortiz. Good job. Okay, so for the shoe of the shoe, this is actually going to be kind of like a double hitter. I purchased these dad sandal sneakers from H&M last week. I wore them with my outfit in last week's Flash Fashion Friday, but I wanted to talk about them a little bit more here. I am not a super big fan, and I have never been of a chunky shoe or a chunky heel. But when I saw these, yes, again, on the display, I thought they were super cute. I think it's definitely, not I think, it's definitely, let me put this down so that I'm not like looking like crazy while I talk about this. So I love the mixture of color. I love the purple / magenta and this sort of like fuchsia color together. And then I thought like the starkness of the white bottom gave it just this little like friendly look. It definitely appealed and attracted to me. And then of course the embellished detail. It's not a real diamond, but all girls love diamonds, right? Comfortable, $34.99. I went down a size. I'm typically a size 40. These are a size 39, so I can venture out and say that they do run big. I know these come in half sizes. They did not have a 39.5. They had a 38.5, a 39, and then 40 and a 40.5. The 40.5 was too big. I purchased these in stores. I already wore these like 2 or 3 times, just kind of just running out of the house, going to the grocery store with some shorts or whatever, but they were super comfortable. I also did pair it with the pink puff sleeve cotton dress that I first showcased. Super cute. That's how I saw it on the mannequin, and I was like, oh, I like this entire look. Like, wrap this all up in a box for me and send me home. So that's what I ended up doing. Again, not a super huge fan of the chunky sandal, but this one allows me to still enjoy the shoe. Obviously I purchased it, so I don't hate it that much. It was a trend that I wasn't really trying to try with all of the other designers, but this one won my heart, so here we are. Switching gears, we are now moving on to House of Belle. First of all, I discovered this designer, this Instagram online boutique on a Tuesday night. I placed my order right away for the item that I wanted, and it was here in my home with regular US Postal Service mail, okay, by 11 o'clock on Thursday. Talk about, like, and I didn't pay an additional anything for shipping. I paid the regular $7 flat fee shipping. So I assumed, or I thought, that the place where they were incorporated or where they are is California. And if they are, why isn't anybody else shipping as fast as they are? The people want to know. But they want to know more. Let me put this down. They want to know more about what I ordered. So I ordered this Paisley coordinated short set. Let me take the shorts off the hanger so that you guys can see it. And how cute. I mean, it comes with a belt. It has pockets like right in front, and I'm gonna put up a video of me trying this on. I love this, super comfortable. The entire set, I wanna say, was $70, and that's pretty typical for most coordinated sets. I love coordinated sets just like I love maxi dresses because it's a one-stop shop. You turn it on, you put it on, and your outfit is done. You just need to accessorize and you are good to go. Now, I wanted to feature House of Belle in my video. I'm pretty sure it's House of Belle. You know, there's kind of a play on the spelling, but I'm almost positive that it's House of Belle. It's a Black-owned designer, a Black-owned curator, a Black-owned business, so that was one of the reasons why I wanted to support it. Two, the customer service was impeccable. I didn't have any issues because I didn't have time to have issues because my item came so fast. Again, I literally ordered this on, I'm almost positive it was Tuesday night, and it was definitely here that following Thursday because I took a photo shoot, right? I use this item in a photo shoot. So I love these shorts. They come belted. The next time I wear it, when I actually wear it out, I don't know that I would keep the entire outfit together. I think I'm gonna change the belt because, one, it's too big around my waistline. I ordered this in a size large, and while it fits me comfortably, it's just I have to wrap it around my waist one too many times, so that's not always gonna be fun trying to like keep that adjusted. The other thing that I like about the shirt, it is a long sleeve shirt and it's got a super cool detail. So instead of buttons like most other items we typically see, this one has a zipper. So one time for getting in and out of this thing, quick movements, right? Like when you're ready to just get out of an item, you're not trying to unbutton, it just takes too long. So I loved and I appreciated the zipper detailing. I also liked the high, like, Victorian neckline. It gave it a little bit of zhuzh, and it also gave you options because if I didn't want to wear it entirely buttoned up, I can leave it open. Now, like I said, I ordered this in a large, so it fits me around the bust area, but it's too big around the waist area, so I probably will have to get this tailored, or I can just wear it as is, because I can wear this as separates or as just the coordinated set that it is. If I end up ordering from them again, which more than likely I will because I was pleased with one, quality, my shopping experience, and the actual, just overall, the entire transaction, I know to size down. They didn't have a sizing chart when I ordered, so I kind of guesstimated. I always verge on, you know, go bigger and then get a tailor, then buy too small, and then you have issues with returns and stuff like that. I don't think they have a return policy. It is exchange only. While that is sometimes, a lot of times, very annoying, I'm still happy with what I got. So next time I go with them, if you know me in real life, I ordered a large, and next time I will probably order a medium. Before I get on my spiel and thank you guys for coming and doing all that stuff, I just wanted to give an honorable mention to you all of my subscribers, everyone who's watched the video, everyone who shared. I appreciate you guys. I have gotten to 200 plus followers, and I know that may seem like a small number, but that's huge in the YouTube world, right? I mean, it takes time to grow, but I'm happy. I've been patient with myself. I'm happy you've been patient with me. I'm happy that you guys keep on coming back. So please keep commenting. Please keep, you know, interacting with me. I'm on this side of the camera, so that I don't always get to see, besides what YouTube analytics tell me, what you guys like and what you dislike. But if you want to see more of something, drop it in the comments. If you want to see less of something, drop that in the comments too. I'm here to grow and learn with you and teach you some tips and tricks and some shopping hauls as we go. Sort of as a gift to myself, I purchased these luxury, they've been on my wish list for a while, but when I got to 200 plus followers, subscribers rather, I was like, definitely getting these earrings. So these are my new favorite beauties. I know the Lily Sadohi ones kind of got beat out, but these are the Louis earrings from Louis Vuitton. I've been wanting these for a little while. These are super cute, very comfortable. They are that big, so not extremely big hoops, but not so small like, why is she wearing those? So that was my gift to me from you and me together for sticking through this and continuing to do this. So I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, still make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, and definitely hit that bell notification so you know anytime I drop a new video, which is Wednesday and Friday. Love you guys. Bye bye.